Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Hacksplosion. Today we're breaking down the Pentathlon games from Squid Game Season 2. Season 2 brought some insane new games. Forget red light, green light. We've got 5 traditional Korean-inspired games that test your precision, strength, and strategy. I'm talking about Ddakji Flying Stone, Gong-gi Spinning Top Jegi. I'm going to show you how to play each game, the rules, and some pro tips to help you win. Think you've got what it takes to survive the Squid Game Pentathlon? Let's find out. Game 1. Ddakji. First up, Ddakji. This is the iconic game from Season 1 where they recruited players. You throw a folded paper envelope onto the ground trying to flip over your opponent's piece. Sounds easy? It's not. How to play. Fold a piece of paper into a square like an envelope. Lay your opponent's Ddakji on the ground. Throw yours at it with enough force and angle to flip it over. Pro tip: aim low and strike with a whipping motion to create more impact. Game 2. Flying Stone. Next is Flying Stone, a simple game but hard to master. You have to throw a stone at a small, tombstone-like piece and knock it over. If you miss, you're out. How to play: place the target at a distance. Stand behind a line and throw your stone. You need to hit the target with enough force to tip it over. Pro tip: keep your wrist loose and focus on a low, straight throw. Precision over power. Game 3. Gong-gi. Now it's time for Gong-gi, basically the Korean version of jacks. This game is all about hand-eye coordination. You've got to pick up small pebbles using specific hand motions. How to play: toss 5 small stones into the air. Pick up 1 stone while the others are in mid-air. Keep repeating this, increasing the number of stones you pick up each time. Pro tip: use your fingertips, not your whole hand. It's faster and more precise. Game 4. Spinning Top. Now we've got Spinning Top. This one's all about balance and momentum. You need to spin a top and make it outlast your opponents. How to play: wind the string tightly around the top, throw it down with a flick of your wrist, keep it spinning longer than your opponents. Pro tip: use a quick wrist snap and aim for a smooth landing to maintain balance. Game 5. Jegi. And finally, Jegi. This is like hacky sack but harder. You've got to keep a weighted shuttlecock or Jegi in the air using only your feet. How to play: kick the Jegi into the air. Keep it up without letting it hit the ground. The player with the most consecutive kicks wins. Pro tip: use the inside of your foot for better control and consistency. Bonus tips. In Squid Game, it's not just about winning, it's about surviving. Stay calm, focus on precision, and don't crack under pressure. And remember, sometimes you've got to read your opponent's moves. Outthinking them is just as important as outplaying them. And that's how you play the Squid Game Season 2 Pentathlon. Which game would you crush? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more Squid Game content and crazy challenges. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next round.